Have you ever found that climbing the stairs feels more difficult than it used to? Or noticed that your legs don't feel as strong as they once did? If so, you're definitely not alone. Leg weakness isn't just something that comes naturally with age. It can be a red flag, signaling that your freedom and ability to move independently might be in jeopardy. But the encouraging news is this: it doesn't have to stay that way. In today's video, we'll explore why your legs are often the first part of your body to show signs of aging, and reveal practical, science-backed ways to help rebuild your strength. Best of all, by the time we wrap up, you'll know about 3 simple, budget-friendly foods that can help you restore leg power, improve your balance, and boost your overall health. So, whether you want to remain active, reduce your risk of falling, or just move more comfortably through everyday life, this video is for you. Stay with me until the end. The final tip might just change the way you look at your health and longevity. Ready to start your journey towards stronger legs and a healthier you? Before we dive in, I'd be grateful if you gave this video a like. It really helps support the channel and share these important messages with more people. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you're enjoying the video, drop a comment with the number 1, and if you're not, comment 0 so I know how to make things better for you. Now, let me ask you something. Have you noticed that climbing stairs is more exhausting than it once was? Or that standing up from a chair takes a bit more effort? If that sounds familiar, you're not imagining things. There's a biological explanation for these shifts that come with getting older. As we age, our bodies go through a process called sarcopenia, a gradual decline in muscle mass and strength. This often starts around the age of 40, with muscle loss occurring at about 1% per year. By the time we're in our 60s, that rate can double. This natural weakening impacts the whole body, but the legs are usually the first place you'll feel the effects. So why do our legs show the decline first? It comes down to both size and usage. The leg muscles are the biggest and most frequently used in the entire body. Whether you're walking, rising from a chair, or taking the stairs, your legs are doing the heavy lifting. They're like the foundation of a house, supporting your body's weight and helping you move through the day. Because they're constantly working, they also tend to be the first to show signs of strain as we grow older. Because your leg muscles are always at work, they tend to be the first to show signs of aging. Think of your muscles like a savings account. In your younger years, your body consistently deposits strength and stamina into this account, allowing you to maintain solid muscle tone and endurance. But as time passes, those deposits slow down, and your body begins making withdrawals. Since your legs are constantly active, the depletion becomes noticeable sooner, which explains why leg weakness is often one of the earliest and most common signs of aging. At first, these changes might be so subtle you barely recognize them. Maybe your legs feel a bit heavier when walking uphill, or you start to rely on a handrail for balance more often than before. Eventually, these slight shifts can grow more obvious. Tasks that used to be second nature, tending to your garden, dancing, or chasing your grandchildren, may begin to feel more demanding. Here's the real concern. When leg strength fades, it's not just about having less energy or feeling tired. It can lead to a serious threat to your independence. Research has shown a direct link between weakened leg muscles and a higher risk of falling in older adults. And just one fall can set off a cascade of consequences, from extended recovery periods to permanent disability, or in severe cases, even fatal injuries. In fact, falls are the #1 cause of injury-related deaths in people over 65. It's a sobering truth, but one that's crucial to recognize. The uplifting news is that you're not helpless. Sarcopenia doesn't have to be a one-way path. With the right changes in lifestyle, especially in diet and movement, it's absolutely possible to slow, or even reverse, the decline in leg strength, regardless of your age. Let me tell you about someone inspiring. Dorothy, a 72-year-old, had been battling weak legs for quite some time. She gave up her daily walks because her knees felt too shaky, and stairs became something she dreaded. But that all turned around when she decided to change her eating habits and added a few simple exercises to her weekly routine. Within just a few months, Dorothy was walking a mile a day again and even got back into ballroom dancing, a passion she had long abandoned. Her legs regained their strength, her confidence soared, and she felt like herself again. Now, think about your own legs. Do they feel as steady and reliable as they once did? Are you moving with ease? Or starting to feel unsure with each step? Even the slightest hint of weakness, whether it's fatigue, trouble standing, or occasional wobbliness is worth paying attention to. The earlier you take action, the better your long-term mobility will be. Ready to do something about it? That's great news. Up next, I'll introduce you to 3 powerful and surprisingly affordable foods that can help keep your legs strong, limber, and supportive for years to come. And believe me, the final one may completely change how you think about nutrition and aging. Let's explore the top 3 foods that can help you maintain strong, healthy legs. Now that we've uncovered the reasons why our legs often weaken with age, it's time to shift gears and focus on solutions. So, what's the smartest way to preserve muscle strength? The answer starts with what's on your plate. A nutritious, balanced diet can rebuild lost muscle, strengthen bones, and give you the energy to move confidently every day. Here are 3 essential foods to consider adding to your daily meals to keep your legs in great shape. And if you're still with me and finding this content valuable, please drop a number 1 in the comments. It's a small way to let me know you're still watching. Thanks again for spending your time here. First up, fatty fish, the ultimate leg, strengthening superfood. When it comes to foods that support strong, flexible legs as you grow older, few options match the impact of fatty fish. Think salmon, sardines, and mackerel. Not only are they full of flavor, but they're also loaded with nutrients that support joint and muscle health. If you're not already including them in your meals, you could be missing out on one of the easiest ways to support your lower body. What makes these fish so valuable? The answer lies in their high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats your body needs but can't produce on its own. These fats are essential to your overall well-being, unlike unhealthy fats that trigger inflammation and raise health risks. Getting enough omega-3s through your diet is a key way to stay mobile and pain-free. For your legs specifically, omega-3s act as a natural lubricant for your muscles and joints. Just like oil keeps an engine running smoothly, these fats reduce inflammation, helping to prevent stiffness, soreness, and joint pain. This is especially important for older adults dealing with arthritis or chronic discomfort. But omega-3s offer more than pain relief. They also play a critical role in muscle repair and recovery. Whether you've been out for a walk, doing some light stretching, or simply moving through your day, omega-3s assist in healing the minor wear and tear your muscles experience. That makes them ideal for anyone looking to preserve or even boost their leg strength over time. And let's not forget the protein. Fatty fish are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is vital for maintaining and building muscle. Each time you enjoy a serving of fish like tuna or salmon, you're giving your body the amino acids it needs to repair and strengthen muscle fibers. It's like fueling your legs with the raw materials they need to stay strong, steady, and ready for everything your day demands. What might this look like on your plate? Picture this: a beautifully grilled salmon fillet, infused with fresh herbs and finished with a squeeze of lemon juice. In just one serving, you're getting more than 20 grams of high-quality protein, a rich dose of omega-3 fatty acids, and important nutrients like vitamin D, which plays a vital role in bone strength and muscle performance. It's like a triple win for your legs. Protein to strengthen muscles, omega-3s to fight inflammation, and vitamin D to fortify your bones. That's the kind of meal that supports not just your legs, but your overall vitality. So how can you include more fatty fish in your meals without overthinking it? It's simpler than you might expect. For dinner, try baking or grilling a fillet of salmon or mackerel and serve it alongside some steamed vegetables or a portion of quinoa. At lunchtime, a tuna salad on a bed of leafy greens or a slice of whole grain toast makes a refreshing and nutritious choice. Looking for a quick snack? Sardines, with their bold flavor, pair wonderfully with whole grain crackers, offering a combination of protein and healthy fats in every bite. Don't enjoy cooking? No problem. Canned varieties of fish like salmon or tuna are just as beneficial and far more convenient. They're budget-friendly, easy to store, and still provide the omega-3s and protein your body needs without the prep time. Ideal for busy days or minimalist meal planning. And if fish isn't your thing at all, there are plant-based alternatives that can still help you meet your nutritional goals. Flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts are great sources of omega-3s. Or, if you prefer, a high-quality fish oil supplement can be a practical way to ensure your body gets the fatty acids it needs even without seafood on the menu. Including fatty fish in your diet regularly is a powerful way to support your muscles and joints for the long haul. It's a small shift that can pay big dividends for your mobility, comfort, and leg health. Next up, dairy, the quiet powerhouse for muscle support. Foods like milk, yogurt, and cheese aren't just delicious. They're nutritional heavyweights when it comes to keeping your legs strong. As we get older, our bodies naturally need more help to maintain muscle mass and stay mobile. That's where dairy comes in, thanks to its rich supply of two key nutrients: protein and calcium. Let's start with protein, the core ingredient for muscle repair and growth. Each time you stand, walk, or climb stairs, tiny tears form in your muscle fibers, which is perfectly normal. Your body repairs these micro tears using protein, which helps those fibers come back even stronger. It's a constant cycle of damage and rebuilding that keeps your muscles working efficiently and ready to support your movements. Still watching the video and finding it helpful? Drop a number 2 in the comments to let me know you're sticking with me. I truly appreciate your time and attention. As we get older, our bodies naturally begin to lose the ability to build and maintain muscle, a condition known as sarcopenia. This process accelerates with age, which is why it becomes increasingly important to make sure you're getting enough protein every day to keep your strength up. Dairy products are one of the best and most convenient sources of high-quality protein. For example, a single glass of milk delivers around 8 grams of protein, while a serving of Greek yogurt, a favorite among nutrition experts, can offer up to 20 grams. This steady supply of protein plays a key role in maintaining and enhancing your muscle mass, which directly supports your balance, movement, and independence as you age. Now let's talk about calcium, the cornerstone of healthy, durable bones. While protein takes care of your muscles, calcium works to build and sustain the bones that hold everything together. Your skeletal system is your foundation, and without enough calcium, bones can become brittle and more susceptible to fractures. Even strong muscles can't protect you if your bones are weak. With age, the body becomes less efficient at absorbing and using calcium. This means your bones face a higher risk of thinning and weakening over time. Without enough calcium in your daily routine, your bone density may drop, increasing the likelihood of breaks or mobility issues. That's why prioritizing calcium intake is one of the smartest things you can do for long-term leg health. Dairy makes it easy to meet your calcium needs. A single cup of yogurt or a slice of cheese can provide a substantial amount of your daily requirement, making it simple to give your bones the reinforcement they need. So, how can you add more dairy into your daily routine? It's easier than you think, and the benefits make it well worth the effort. Start your morning with a glass of milk, whether you prefer whole, low-fat, or a lactose-free version, to set the tone for your day with a solid hit of protein and calcium. For breakfast or a snack, a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with fresh fruit and nuts is not only tasty, but packed with essential nutrients to support muscle and joint health. At lunch or dinner, consider sprinkling shredded cheese on top of your salad or adding a slice to your sandwich. Cheese can be a simple, flavorful way to sneak more calcium into your meals. Just remember to enjoy it in moderation. And when you're in need of a quick snack, pairing a few slices of cheese with whole grain crackers makes for a balanced and satisfying option. For those who can't tolerate dairy or simply don't like it, there are plenty of great alternatives out there. Many plant-based milks like almond, soy, or oat milk are now fortified with calcium, making them a smart substitute. Other excellent sources of calcium include leafy green vegetables, calcium-fortified cereals, and even calcium supplements, all of which can help ensure you meet your daily requirements. Making dairy a regular part of your eating habits is a simple but powerful way to safeguard your leg strength and support steady, confident movement as the years go by. Now let's talk about our third essential food: leafy green vegetables, the underrated champions of leg health. Greens like spinach, kale, arugula, and collard greens may seem humble, but they're packed with powerful nutrients that your legs rely on to stay strong and flexible. These vibrant vegetables are nutritional workhorses, offering a range of essential minerals and vitamins that help keep your legs functioning at their best, day in and day out. Among their many advantages, leafy greens are especially rich in vitamin K, magnesium, and potassium, each playing a critical role in your leg health. Take vitamin K, for example. It's essential for bone strength because it helps your body absorb and make the most of calcium. Without enough vitamin K, calcium can't do its job effectively, which may lead to weaker bones and joint instability. When you eat greens like kale and collard greens, you're helping ensure your bones stay strong, stable, and capable of supporting your movement. Magnesium, another key mineral found in abundance in leafy greens like spinach, is vital for proper muscle function. It supports over 300 biochemical processes in the body and is particularly important for preventing muscle cramps, spasms, and post-exercise discomfort. Magnesium helps your muscles relax after contraction, which means less tension and fewer painful leg cramps, especially after walking or exercising. Then there's potassium, an essential electrolyte that works closely with sodium to regulate muscle contractions and fluid balance. Proper potassium levels ensure that your muscles, including those in your legs, stay responsive, energized, and cramp-free. Plus, potassium helps maintain good circulation, which keeps oxygen and nutrients flowing to your muscles so they can recover quickly and perform efficiently. Still here and finding this video helpful? Comment number 3 below to let me know you're learning something valuable. I truly appreciate you spending this time with me. So, how can you start enjoying more leafy greens in your diet? The good news is it's both simple and delicious. Start your morning with a smoothie made from spinach or kale blended with bananas, berries, or your favorite fruits. It's a refreshing way to pack in a powerful nutrient punch right from the start of your day. Another great way to enjoy leafy greens is by tossing them into salads, whether raw or gently sautéed, and combining them with colorful vegetables, crunchy nuts, seeds, and your favorite healthy dressing. You can also lightly sauté spinach, kale, or arugula with a bit of olive oil and garlic. This simple method keeps their nutrients intact while bringing out rich, savory flavors. And for added convenience, you can stir them into soups, stews, or pasta dishes to elevate both nutrition and taste. Thanks to their flexibility, leafy greens can fit into almost any meal, making it easier than ever to fuel your body with what it needs. By regularly adding these vegetables to your diet, you're doing more than just supporting leg health. You're making a powerful investment in your overall strength, flexibility, and vitality. The abundance of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants they offer can help your legs stay strong and steady for many years to come. I want to thank you for joining me on this journey to understand the importance of leg health as we age. Now it's your turn. What's one thing from this video that resonated with you? What change are you inspired to make in your own life starting today? Please share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you and learn about your experience. And if you found this video valuable, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. There's more insightful content coming your way to help you stay strong, active, and independent. Let's continue this path together toward a life of energy, balance, and freedom. I'll see you in the next video.